so here's the frame basically for Jonathan's loft bed that we're making. So I used cedar here, and I pre-drilled the holes. Oh, I see I missed one. But I pre-drilled the holes and put them further in so I could kind of countersink the screws. And I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the one, and then 4 over here, but I'll probably do some more, and I'll probably do some support braces this way just to be on the safe side. And then on the outer side, or this side here, and on this end here will be these cubes, and they can hold 100 pounds on top each. So it'll distribute the weight being around, and it'll give him 24 cubes of storage plus the space underneath. So like I said, so we still need the piece of, I think I'm going to go ahead and go with birch, because maybe it's stronger. I don't know. I'll go with birch or some 3/4 inch plywood maybe, but something pretty thick, and then have another brace up underneath connecting it, so just to make it as sturdy. But it shouldn't be, there's not going to be that much space because the depth of these, and then so there won't be that much underneath that won't be supported. So anyway, my sister did hers that way. Hers is not quite as tall, but like I said, he needs storage, so this is, and we kind of needed customized on height because we couldn't have it too high because the ceilings are, I think, 7 feet, 8 feet, but it's like 7 feet and some inches, so we needed to kind of customize it. We found these cubes, which I said laying sideways, they hold 150 pounds on top, but if you have them height-wise, then they hold 100 pounds on top each, and we're using 3 of them, so like I said, it'll distribute his weight, and he's about 170 pounds, so should be okay. And then, like I said, plus braced into the wall, and then it'll be, the plywood will be connected into these and into the shelves, so we'll see. And then we'll build him some cube steps, and he has his wooden chair that we got the cushion. So anyway, we'll show you as it progresses along. Here's the base of Jonathan's bed. We have the one cabinet here, braces on the wall there. We have another cabinet here, and then one more back there that allows me to get into the back. We can store more stuff back there and not take up space, floor space. So basically he'll sleep up here, and it still gives him plenty of space. That's why we wanted to custom do this, because he'll still be able to sit up there. And we'll build him, this cabinet right there is going to move, and I'll build him some steps back there so he'll get up there, and everything will be hunky-dory, no problem. So let me get back to work. I'm going to pre-drill some holes to attach the view from the top of Jonathan's bed. And he's down there somewhere. There he is.
Hey.
Hi, Jonathan. How you like your bed?
I like it.
And, well, there's the mattress, but there's all his storage. So, and now I rearranged it. I'll show you. What you doing up there, Jonathan?
Go on my laptop.
Going on your laptop? How'd you get up there on that big old tall bed?
Just
You used the chair?
yeah.
You gonna be able to get down?
Yeah.
You think so? Okay. Okay, so here's a quick look at Jonathan's bed. And he's got some cubes going now. The plates are just sitting there because we kind of cleaned stuff up. We're trying to move stuff out of the way because we were cleaning up his little kitchen area. There's the steps that we built, and so get some storage with those too. And I used 2x10s to build the steps, and he's been doing pretty good with them. So another is actually from underneath his bed, looking through the cubes. We have baskets, so let's go back out. We have this opening. And we finished all the plumbing. It looks like an octopus, but you live and you learn. So on our house, I learned some things that I do differently, and we will do them differently, but it's all connected, and we'll leak test the water heater, but connected also. So progress, progress, progress. It's livable, and that's what matters. He stays in here and he loves it, and he's ready to move. This is his little living room area, basically. He's got his chair where he can sit and relax, and he spends a lot of time there. And then this little stand is where he puts his laptop and some other stuff. And right now I've got a battery charger on there, but it gives him access easily to the end of his bed and to his stuff. He keeps his, you know, some clothes in here, and he puts movies down in the very bottom. So anyway, that's he loves this little area right here. This little kitchen area, and that's just the bedding, extra bedding for the cot. So it's pretty much done, just little trims and stuff like that, but like I said, it's livable. We've stayed here multiple times now. He loves it. He's ready to move in. He stayed in here by himself. He's good to go. He's ready to be on his own, I guess, kind of, next to us.